In the fifth convocation of NIFT Srinagar, 64 students graduated from fashion design, fashion communication, and fashion management. The students were from all over India, out of which 3 students were from Jammu and Kashmir. These students have had exchanged a lot of good memories over the last 4 years. A lot of cultural exchange took place because we have a lot of students from different parts of the India, and they take back a very memorable memories from here.
We were able to travel here, we were able to explore various crafts, and the journey is, you cannot explain it, it's unbeatable. So apart from any other campus, Srinagar campus, I will say with experience that it's the best.
So did your perception change about Kashmir? You said
Yes, definitely it did. So whatever we listen in media, I don't think it's half of it here, because I personally stayed outside. I didn't opt for an hostel. So while staying outside also, everybody is very hospitable. ऐसा कोई भी आदमी नहीं मिलेगा जो आप हमको जाते वक्त आते वक्त फ्रूट्स नहीं देगा या घर पे नहीं बुलाएगा.
Coming into this institute was a big decision itself, although it's like going into a creative field, that too coming from a science background, so it had its own hurdles. But yes, the 4 years here have been amazing. Basically, what do? We go to Delhi, we go to Maharashtra to gain experience, but it's basically Maharashtra and Delhi coming into Srinagar and you get that exposure. So it has been an amazing. I am also one, very few locals are here, and since Kashmir is very rich about its crafts, I want locals to join this institute, which they aren't, maybe because of the thing that they don't know about NIFT. It's basically national institute, which in itself gives you a lot of exposure. We need designers, we actually need fashion designers, and that's you must also have heard that artisans are leaving their crafts. Why? Because they don't have any designers coming in their field so that they can tell them that what innovation has to be brought, what things have to be brought, so that their crafts goes international. That's why I'm giving a little bit of motivation to the people of Kashmir to come to NIFT, particularly NIFT Srinagar, because we teach our crafts, we take it global, and that's how, which is the biggest motivation.
during the